What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up a Shopify store on your mobile phone. So here is the Shopify app on my iPhone. You can find it on either the Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone depending on the type of your phone. So here is the first page that you are presented with when you open the app. And so you can log in if you already have a Shopify account, or you can click on Get Started to sign up. When you click on Get Started, you will be presented with a couple of questions. You can skip them all or skip like individual questions, but I will answer them just to show you. So which of these best describes you? So let's choose I'm just starting. Click Next. It'll ask you where would you like to sell your products. Let's choose an online store, and if you have a store in person or if you have an existing website or blog. So for me, I'll choose online store, and also I want to sell on social media. And you can also choose if you want to sell on online marketplaces such as eBay, Amazon, and so on. Click Next. What do you plan to sell? So you can choose a product that you buy or you make yourself from like a supplier, a local supplier that you know. You can sell digital products, so music, digital arts, and so on. And you can drop ship them to your customers and so on. So I'll choose here products that I buy myself. Hit next. Where is your business located? So choose your country or location. You can choose any location. I'll leave it as it is, so Egypt. It'll open a pop-up with the Shopify website to continue the sign up procedure. So you can sign up with email, with Apple, with Facebook or Google. I'll choose with email, or you can choose whatever method works for you. I'll enter my email and password and then create my Shopify account. And here it opens the homepage of the Shopify account. So you have many options here on the tab at the bottom. So you have your home, you have here your orders, so you can manage your orders. Of course, I've just created the account, so I don't have any orders. You can add an order if you click on the plus icon here at the top right. And here, the next option is the products. So you can view your products and you can add up products, and you can also find products to sell. So if you do drop shipping and so on. And if you click on the three dots here at the bottom right, you can view other settings. So like customers, content, analytics, marketing, discounts, settings. And you can also view your online store and point of sale, and you can add apps to your account. So let's go to settings here. You can view the app settings, so the notifications and the Face ID login and so on. And you can view your store settings. So your store details, if you open store details, you can see here the profile info, so like the default store name, the email address, the country and time zone, and so on. So let's go back. Now in the settings here, let's go to store details to finish up our store. So I'll click on store details here in the settings. Let's edit the store details. So store name, let's rename it to, let's name it to first store. The store phone and email, let's leave them as they are. The country, if you want to edit it, then you can choose the store currency. So let's leave it as it is. So Egyptian pounds. The time zone and the unit system, so the metric system, so in kilograms, in grams, and meters, and so on. You can choose a prefix and the suffix for your products, and then click save. Now your store details will be saved. Now let's add a product to our store. So let's go to the products tab here and then click on add to your products. Let's say I want to add a hoodie. So first let's add an image to the product here. I'll add it. And then you can add a product title. So let's enter basic hoodie. Add a description if you want to. And then you can add the price. So let's choose like 50 of our currency. That's 50 Egyptian pounds. And then you can enter the cost per items and it'll calculate the margin of profits for you. You can also charge sales tax, and you can edit the settings for international pricing. So Let's add the price, the cost per item. So it costs me like 40 Egyptian pounds to create. Okay. And then the margin of profit is 20% with a profit of 10 pounds each piece. So let's click save. And then here we can add variants. We can choose an online store or point of sale. So, and we can add variants like sizes, colors, and so on. So let's add a variant. So for the size, and then the values, let's enter like small, medium, and large. And we can also add another option or another variant. So let's make it like color. We have like green and black. Okay, so we have 3 sizes and 2 colors. You can add other options, so such as design and so on. So let's hit save. And as you can see here, the option, the size, we have 3 sizes and 2 colors, so like 6 variants. And like go to the inventory, you can go and edit each individual item as we chose like 3 sizes and 2 colors. So we have 6 different products. So you can edit the number of each individual product here. So let's say I have like 100 small greens and 200 small black. The medium green, I have only 50. The medium black, let's say it's out of stock, so I have 0, and so on. And then hit save. And you can view your order organization. So let's add it to our store. The vendor is the first store, so our store that we like created, our main store. And then add category. So it is like clothing. Okay, so clothing. And you can add tags. So let's add hoodies. Okay, and top, and so on. So you can add as many tags as you want and then hit save. And once you edited all the info that you want here, you can just hit save at the top right corner. And now your product is saved in your store. So let's go back to the products. And as you can see here, our basic hoodie product is now in our store. So it'll give us the updated and also the out of stock variants of the product here that we have 0 from. And we can view all products and view the inventory and then purchase orders, gift cards, and so on. So that's how easy it is to add products and create your store on Shopify app on your mobile phone.